What's going on, guys? Hope you're having a nice day. We're doing something a little bit different today, and it's a bit of a different kind of video from what we usually do on our project cars.
Yeah, today we're going to be working on a 2014 BMW 5 Series brake job. Unfortunately, they're very expensive to do at the dealer. And then I thought it was a good idea for me to tackle this job. And then today we're going to be replacing the rotors and brakes, and we'll get to it. And you can see it's a little bit complicated, but it's not the end of the world. We'll get to it.
So first we're going to be going over what is needed for the job.
Gentlemen, we're going to need this. A size 17 socket to remove all the bolts for the tires, simple removal. 2 screwdrivers, an Allen key, metrics 5, a ratchet size 18, and that is it, and a lot of patience.
And these are the new rotors and pads.
Alright, first thing we need to do is get in front of yours, hold the brakes, remove the set screw, and this is the first one we remove with the Allen key. Boom. Done deal. Nothing else you need to do at that point. I think this is the hardest part, is right here. Removing this damn bracket. And it gives you so much trouble. The key, leverage here, up here, make sure it pushes it, and then hard until it flies out. Be careful, don't get hurt. Next is with the 18, removing the screws on the back. There's 2 screws on the back. I already loosened them. They a lot tight. Then you're gonna have to put some force into it, but that's the way you take them off. All right, gentlemen. Now that we have taken one bolt out of the top, right hand, the top side, we're gonna hit it. You're gonna try to get it down.
You need me to hold it?
You're gonna have to take both of these bolts out. It's out. A little bit of anticipation. Tap it a few times. Be careful with the brakes. Kind of leave it hanging, but I do.
All right, so next step in the process?
Next step in the process is to compress this for us to be able to put the new brake pads on. Then what I want to do is use this tool that we have. Hold on 1 second. This is a pain. To take this off, you go forward and you jiggle it out. Next step, we need to compress this to put the new brakes. This is what I use. This is an all-purpose clamp. This is the key. You have to compress it. Take a few minutes. A little bit of patience. And it'll be done. The other side has the brake sensor. That's the one that it goes off when it hits it. Unfortunately, I didn't have to change it. It was just about due before that, but you could pick up the sensor at the dealer. And it's easy to replace. Just replace the sensor. As you can see, I left the brake pad on that I could compress it. It helps out a lot easier. Compress it all the way. Come back out. Boom. There we go. Now we start replacing the parts. This is a real pain in the butt to do. Sometimes. There you go. Boom. Like that. This one comes in. I had a lot of hard time on the other side then. Hopefully this side is not as pain in the ass. Look at that. It's not a pain in the ass this time. We'll chop it. Now the other side here. Same thing. In an angle. winning. Okay, the most difficult part is taking this thing off. So difficult, you have to use some force. There you go. Yeah, that one got stuck pretty hard. And we're gonna go put this back on. Now line up with the little hole here. The set screw goes. The set screw on. This is a guide to help it stay. It does have the torque seal on it. Put a light torque seal. You don't want to seize this stuff. It doesn't go that tight then. Hand tight is good enough. Next, we put the caliper on. I put this on to hold in place. Make sure you don't damage anything. Here we go. Goes in like this. Brake packs are on. Slide it in. Put the 2 bolts in the back to hold it in place. We're gonna tighten the bolts. Put some force into it. Release your brakes. Okay. And back to the hardest thing to put on. Goddamn clip. Leave it back here. Goes in like that. One side. So it doesn't come off. Put this in the right place. There it goes. Came back over here. And I'm sure you guys know how to put a tire on. Then the rest is putting a tire on the car.
Wait, hold up. What's a tire though?
Something that rotates.
Now we're going on to the hardest part, right?
Yeah, it is pretty hard. Tire. And after you get all these bolts done and everything, this is the way you stick it to BMW. Say we sell $1,500.
Alright guys, so that's all you need to know to be able to replace your front brakes on your BMW 5 Series 2014 and up. So we finished the job in about, how long?
Maybe an hour or so.
And by we I mean pretty much Edison, because I just showed up late and showed you the final steps as to how to do everything, because I don't really know everything about cars.
Yeah, he just got the camera.
Alright, so we're going to go on a quick test drive and see if everything works.
Alright gentlemen, that's done. And we'll see you on the drive-by.
FBI, open up! We're not going to shoot up the fucking place.
I'm gonna drive it and see how it works.
So do the brakes work?
Yes sir, as you can see, let's give it a test drive now. Whoa. Damn.
Holy shit, that actually stopped really hard.
Actually.
Damn.
Wow, that's pretty good. This is the way you save $1,500 to $2,000 from a brake job in a BMW dealer. Incredible how much they charge for this stuff.
For real.
Yeah, but it was about close to $400 in parts. The rotors were 126. The brake pads were like $79 with lifetime warranty and AutoZone. Then it's good.
That's not that bad for a BMW.
Not bad.
I mean,
lifetime warranty on it. Then when they get worn out, replace them again.
as you can see, we're not dead yet, so it seems to be working.
Yes, sir. And it's not doing it right now. We're good.
IJZ. There's my tag.
I guess we're going 60. And then we'll see. Perfect. Smooth. Love it. Can't complain. Before you used to hit the brakes,
good.
if I brake. Oh, that goes an idiot.
Whoa.
See, that's why you have to have good brakes.
South Florida drivers.
Try one more time. Make sure when we do, that the brakes are smoothly, not vibrating. Beautiful.
Yeah, no, works fine.
Works fine.
It's perfect.
Well, gentlemen, hopefully this will save you some money and some time and irritation. Why we should be paying that type of money to BMW? You can do it yourself.
Yep.
I can do it. You can do it.
So there you have it, guys. $1,500 saved from BMW. Well, more like $1,100 because you have to spend $400 on parts. But it's a smaller budget, and you know how to do things yourself now. So that's all we got for this video.
Work on your car.
Everybody get smoked, dummy. Everybody get smoked, dummy. Yeah, look, I'm aiming straight for the jugular, fuck it up. Everybody finna talk what they want. Know that this ain't even the formula for me, but I talk a lot when I gotta be blunt. Ain't talking fast when I send it text out. Check the connection and leave the rest out. Speaking into this shit, got the best. So I'm a Medulla, you know what the do this, we clap on the shit.